What if you could stop a massive drone attack without firing a single missile? That's exactly what's happening right now in Ukraine, and the technology behind it comes from an unexpected player, Japan. The problem: for months, Russia has relied heavily on swarm drone attacks, cheap, relentless, and designed to overwhelm Ukraine's air defenses. Even when intercepted, it's been costly. Imagine using $1 million missile to shoot down a drone that costs just a few thousand. That's not sustainable. Enter the Terra A1 interceptor drone. A quiet collaboration between Japan and Ukraine has produced something radically different. Instead of launching expensive missiles, Ukraine is now deploying autonomous interceptor drones that hunt down enemy drones mid-air. No explosions, no expensive systems, just precision. How it works: the Terra A1 uses AI-guided targeting and high-speed maneuvering to intercept incoming drones. Think of it like a drone versus drone dogfight, but controlled by algorithms, not pilots. It tracks, calculates, and neutralizes threats in seconds. And the best part? It costs a fraction of traditional air defense systems. Why this changes everything? This isn't just about stopping drones, it's about flipping the economics of war. Russia's strategy relies on overwhelming defenses cheaply, but now Ukraine can counter even more cheaply and more efficiently. That means every attack becomes less effective and more expensive for Russia. This Japan-Ukraine partnership signals something much bigger. We're entering a new era of warfare, where autonomous systems, not missiles, dominate the skies. And countries around the world are watching closely, because if this works at scale, it could redefine global air defense forever. The Terra A1 might not make headlines like fighter jets or missiles, but it could quietly become one of the most important military innovations of this decade. And this is just the beginning. Will this technology make wars cheaper or far more dangerous? Share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe.